Let's play, read books, and make music together today. Yay! Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine out on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Now let's play Peekaboo. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Peekaboo. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Peekaboo. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Peekaboo. Let's sing it one more time. Clap your hands with me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, won't you shine down on, please shine down on me. Hooray! Let's do Peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, Peekaboo! Yay! Look, everyone! It's Sally the Sloth. Everybody say hi, Sally. Hi. Sally is a sneaky sloth, and she's going to bring us a mystery word today. Ooh, Sally, that's so sneaky. What is our first letter of our mystery word? It's the letter S. Hooray! I wonder what word Sally is going to make today. We'll find out. She's so sneaky. What color is the sun? What color is the sun? Yeah, yellow, yellow, yellow. Yeah. What color is the grass? The grass. Yeah, green, green. The grass is green. What color is a tree? A tree. Yeah, green too. The grass and the trees are green. Yeah. What color is the sky? The sky. That's right. Blue. 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 The sky is blue. Yeah. What color are the clouds? What color are the clouds? Yeah, white, white, white. Yeah, good job. Look who's back. It's Sneaky Sally the Sloth. Hello, Sneaky Sally. Are you here to bring us our next letter for our mystery word? Oh, hooray! What's our next letter? We already have the letter S. What's our next letter? The letter U. U. We have S and U. Okay, Sally, I wonder what word you're gonna make. We'll find out. Find your head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's go a little faster. Find your head. Good job. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's go super fast. Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hooray! Let's find the letter of the day. Repeat after me. I can find this letter, I can find this letter, I can find it today, I can find it today, yeah, I can find this letter, I can find this letter, and I'm here to say that the letter of the day is the letter S. That's right. To make the S sound, we keep our teeth shut together. Bring our tongue up, up, up behind our top front teeth like a snake caught in a cage, yeah? And we're going to blow out some air like this. Good. Now you try. Good. Let's pretend to be snakes. Good job, little snakes. That's the S sound. I know a little truck that's blue. Do you? Yeah, Little Blue Truck. Let's read our book together.
Little Blue Truck Springtime, written by Alice Shirtle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Little blue truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo cow just munching corn. Yoo-hoo little calf just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets 1 to 10. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. Who's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing and frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep.
Let's make animal noises. A cow says, moo, moo. You try it.
job. Moo. Cow says moo. Let's do another one. More. Let's do some more. What does a pig say? Yes. Oink, oink, oink. You try it. Oink, oink, oink. Let me hear you. Good job, little piggy. Yay! Let's do some more. More. What does a chicken say? Yeah. Buck, 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 buck. Let me hear you say it. Yeah. Buck, 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 buck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Buck, 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 buck. Now you. Yeah, good job, little chickies. Very good. Let's do another one. What does a horse say? Neigh. Neigh. Now you. Very good. Neigh. A horse says neigh. Good. Let's do a sheep. What does a sheep say? Ba. That's right. Ba. 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 Let me hear you. Good job. A sheep says ba. Very good. Let's do one more. What does a duck say? A duck. Quack, 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 quack. Let me hear you say it. Good job. Quack, 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 quack. Good. And what does little blue truck say? Beep, beep. Yeah. Beep, beep. Now you. Yeah. Beep, beep. Little blue truck says beep, beep. Good job. Sneaky Sally, what's our last letter of our mystery word? The letter N. N. Let's see what letters we have. We have the letter S. We have the letter U. And we have the letter N. S. U. N. Sun. What do you think that spells? S-U-N. That's right, Sally. It spells sun. Sun. Hooray! The mystery word is sun. Oh, I love the sun. Hooray! Thanks, Sneaky Sally, for bringing us a great word today. Bye-bye.